Dear students, welcome to Bagia High School online class. How are you? Hope you are hale and hearty by the grace of Almighty God and staying safe at home by following the rules of good health. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty God. Dear students, I am Promila Sarkar with you. Today, I shall teach you English first paper of class 9-10. In my previous class, I solved rearranging sentences. Our today's topic is also rearranging sentences. Dear students, you can see here some disordered sentences. You have to put the following parts of the story in correct order to make the whole story. Dear students, now I shall read out the disordered sentences. Number A, the merchant sold him to a rich man in another country. Number B, to escape torture, he one day fled from his master's house. Once there lived a young man named Androcles. Number D, unfortunately, he was caught by a slave merchant. He took a shelter in a cave. He used to inflict heavy torture on him. It was unbearable for him. The man was very rude and cruel. Dear students, now you have to make a box. Okay, I shall make a box. Dear students, you will take your notebook and write with me. Now I shall give the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I shall arrange these sentences. At first, number C, then number D, then number A, then number H, then number F, then number G, then number B, then number E. Okay, I finished writing the numbers. Now I shall write these sentences in a paragraph. Number C, at first I shall write number C. Once there lived a young man named Androcles. Then number D, unfortunately he was caught by a slave merchant. Unfortunately, he was caught by a slave merchant. Then number A, the merchant sold him to a rich man in another country. Then number A is the man was very rude and cruel. Then number F, he used to inflict heavy torture on him. Then number F. Then number G. It was for him. Number B, to escape torture he one day fled from his master's house. At last, E. He took a shelter in a cave. Okay, dear students, this is a story. This is a story. You will write down on your notebook. Now, I shall tell you about this story with Bengali meaning. Once there lived a young man named Androcles. Androcles নামে একদা এক যুবক বাস করত। Unfortunately, he was caught by a slave merchant. দুর্ভাগ্যবশত সে একটা ব্যবসায়ী কর্তৃক তাকে ধরে নেওয়া হয়েছিল। The merchant sold him to a rich man in another country. সেই বণিক সেই ব্যবসায়ী কি করলো, তাকে অন্য দেশের আরেকটা ধনী ব্যক্তির কাছে বিক্রি করে দিল। The man was very rude and cruel. লোকটা খুবই নিষ্ঠুর ছিল, নির্দয় ছিল। He used to inflict heavy torture on him. সে কি করত, তার উপর অনেক অত্যাচার করত। It was unbearable for him. এটা তার কাছে অসহনীয় ছিল। To escape torture, এই অত্যাচার থেকে রেহাই পাওয়ার জন্য he one day fled from his master's house. সে একদিন কি করলো, তার প্রভুর বাড়ির থেকে সে পালিয়ে গেল। He took a shelter in a cave. তারপর সে কি করলো, সে একটা গুহায় আশ্রয় নিল। Okay, dear students. Okay, dear students, I think you have understood this story. No more today. In my next class, I shall solve another rearranging sentences. Now I shall give you homework. Homework from model question from model question 11-12, number 7. You will solve number 7. Okay, dear students, no more today. Stay safe and stay home. Goodbye.